Hey, what's up guys? It looks like the gimbals do attract the attention. People keep searching what the best and the cheapest gimbal is. A few weeks ago I shot the review on Feiyu G6, which is a good action camera gimbal, and on the halfway Feiyu company decided to produce one more version of it, which is called Feiyu G6 Plus. What is the difference, you will ask? It's actually all the same, but this version has a bigger platform with a payload of 800 grams in the center of gravity balance. Feiyu came up with making a multi-purpose gimbal for mirrorless cameras, action cameras, and smartphones. To launch the latter, you'll have to buy an adapter separately. One more update is the wheel. Basically, it's quite similar with Geiyu Smooth 4-wheel and all its functions, which are zoom and focus. By pressing it, you can change in between the features mentioned. By long press, we access to camera position settings, where we can control the roll, tilt, and pan separately from a joystick. Above from what's mentioned above, it's all the same with regular Feiyu G6. It still has 3 working modes, which are paint mode, HF, follow mode, AF, and lock mode, L. G6 has a runtime of 9 hours. It is splash proof but banned from using underwater or being exposed to salt water. To pair with smartphones, you should use VCool app, while Feiyu On app for cameras. Single tap the mode button is switching between panning mode, which is default mode, and lock mode. Double tap is for follow mode. Triple tap makes camera rotate 180 degrees in horizontal. Working together with the function of manual lock, you can take a selfie or video with special angle. Tapping 4 times perfectly fits for time-lapse. You can set up the start, finish, and the rotation route by hand in this mode. When setting is done, gimbal will be automatically rotated following preset route in constant speed, which was set in app before. To conclude, I'd like to say that that's a very good gimbal with a bunch of interactive features. You can absolutely use it with mirrorless cameras, action cameras, or smartphones. The only drawback is, I guess, the price, which is $250 to $160 US, but I do suggest you buying it. That's all for today. Thanks you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and see you next time.